morning children. Today in this video we are going to learn a major random experiments on which many questions are being asked and already asked in board examination. प्रोबेबिलिटी चैप्टर के वो 3 रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट जिन पर बोर्ड में क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं और हमें बहुत ज़रूरी है समझना। उनमें से पहला एक्सपेरिमेंट है कि किसी भी कॉइन को जब हम 3 टाइम्स टॉस करते हैं या 3 कॉइन्स को एक साथ टॉस करते हैं तब उसके किस तरह से आउटकम्स होते हैं और किस तरह के बेसिक फैक्ट्स हैं जो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में यूज होते हैं। सो द फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट विच वी आर गोइंग टू टेक इज टॉसिंग a coin 3 times or 3 coin are tossed together. Firstly, you should understand the total outcomes are similar, equal, whether you are tossing 1 coin 3 times or you are tossing 3 coins together. So when we see the first chance, when you are tossing first time, there will be 2 options, that is either head or tail. These are the 2 possible outcomes when you are tossing a coin first time. When you are repeating second time, then second time the result will again either head or tail, along with the first result is head, and similarly adding result head or tail after doing first time result is tail. When you are tossing third time, again the possible results will be head and tail, with head and tail like this. Similarly, firstly see, when you are taking first case, first result is head, then possible result of second time head and tail, then again head and tail with head and tail of second time. So total results are head, 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 triple H, head, head, tail, head, tail, head, or head, tail, tail. These are the 4 results which are starting with H. We should write firstly all these 4: triple H, HHT, HTH, then HTT. Now next 4 are similar to these 4. Only first letter will be changed as T in place of H. So ये नेक्स्ट डायग्राम बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसी के बेस पर आप अगले 4 लिख सकते हैं. दिस इज T H H, T H T, T T H and triple T. So this is sample space of this experiment. And how many they are? Total 8. Since total possible results in first time is 2 and the experiment is repeated 3 times, so total number of outcomes will be 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So this is also another fact that any experiment when it is repeated more than 1 time, like 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, then the base will be total number of outcomes in first time and power will be the number of repetition of the experiment. So if you are tossing a coin 5 times, total number of outcomes will be 2 to the power 5. Now another fact, the first is sample space, number 2 is total number of outcomes, number 3, out of these 8 outcomes there is only one chance when all 3 are similar, H or head, head, head. Another chance when all 3 are similar, T, T, T. So we have to understand that there is a probability of getting triple H 1 by 8 or probability of getting 3 head is 1 by 8. Probability of getting 2 head, see 2 head is 1, 2 and 3, that is 3 by 8. Probability of getting 1 head is again 1, 2 and 3, 3 by 8. Probability of getting 0 head means all 3 are T, that is 1 by 8. So these are the facts of this experiment. How we can remember these facts by seeing this diagram. If you remember this one only, you can write these 4, then you can write next 4 by changing first letter as T, then total number of outcomes, then probability of getting 3 head, 2 head, 1 head or no head. Now same numbers will different conditions. 3 head means probability of getting 0T. 3 हेड आएंगे मतलब कोई भी टी नहीं होगा. So probability of getting no tail is also 1 by 8. Now same here, 2 head means probability of getting 1 T will be 3 by 8. 1 head it means probability of getting 2 T is also 3 by 8, and 0 head means all 3 are T, so probability of getting 3 tail is 1 by 8. These are the facts which you can remember easily, but sometimes questions are based on the same experiment but little different way. Like they can say what is the probability of getting all 3 results similar. Now they are not saying head or tail, all 3 results are similar. In that case, the probability of all 3 results similar or same result will be 2 by 8, because triple H and triple T both will be satisfying this condition. 3 results, all 3 results are same. So this type of the condition, this is the first experiment, tossing a coin 3 times, or else we can say 3 coins are tossed together, then also the same results will come. Now second experiment is when we say about throwing 2 dice together, or again 1 die has been rolled 2 times. Then what are the sample space and how we can remember them, this we are going to discuss right now. So you must write the heading, that is we know that there are 6 faces on a die and 1 to 6 numbers are mentioned over there. So first, when first die is showing 1, another die can show 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So there are 6 possibilities with 1. Similarly, 2 1, 2 2 6, 6 options are there, and then 3 1 2 3 6. So what will be the sample space? That is 1 1, 1 2, similarly 1 6. Then 2 1, 2 2 up to 2 6, and 3 1, 3 2 up to 3 6. Now similarly we can write for 4 1 to 4 6, 5 1 to 5 6 and 6 1 to 6 6. So total number of outcomes we can write, number of sample space, cardinal number of sample space is 6 to the power 2 that is 36, because first time में 6 आते हैं, 2 times repeat कर रहे हैं तो 6 to the power 2 that is 36. Now another fact is, out of 36 there are 6 outcomes when digits are repeating 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. So probability of doublets will be 6 upon 36 when you are getting both the digits similar. Then next is when the digits are different, means leaving these 6, remaining 30 pairs are there where digits are different, like 1 2, 2 1, 3 2, like this. So probability of different digits will be 30 by 36. Then comes any particular digit is repeating or presenting or appearing in how many pairs. This condition is little uncommon. Any digit, like they can say what is the probability that 2 appears, means out of 36 2 is visible in how many pairs. So 6 pairs is this, and in remaining 5 digits it will come first time, one time. So one time over here, one time over here, one time with all remaining 5 digits. So 6 plus 5, 11. So probability of any digit appears is 11 upon 36. Any digit, 2 की जगह 3 हो सकता है, 5 6 कुछ भी हो सकता है, कोई भी डिजिट टोटल कितने पेयर में प्रेजेंट रहता है, अपीयर्स होता है, दैट इज 11 बाई, प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 11 बाई 36. 11 पेयर में वो दिखेगा. इस 11 पेयर में एक बार क्या होगा, वो रिपीटेड वाला भी इंक्लूड रहेगा. तो अगर उन्होंने कहा डिजिट अपीयर्स तो 11 आएगा, और उन्होंने कहा कोई भी डिजिट, पर्टिकुलर डिजिट अपीयर्स वंस, यानी वो डिजिट एक बार ही देखेगा, तो ये 2 2 नहीं आएगा. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एनी डिजिट appear once will be 10 by 36, क्योंकि फिर रिपीटेड डिजिट वहां पर नहीं आएगा. देन यहां पर मैं एनी डिजिट लिख रहा हूं, क्वेश्चन में हो सकता है बोर्ड में कोई डिजिट मेंशन कर दें, 3 डज नॉट अपीयर, यानी वो डिजिट नहीं दिखेगा. तो अगर 11 में दिखता है 36 में से, तो 25 में नहीं दिखेगा. सो द प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी 25 अपॉन 36. तो ये कुछ फैक्ट्स हैं जो इस एक्सपेरिमेंट से रिलेटेड हैं. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. फिर एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है, वो है टोटल नंबर ऑफ सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स. दोनों डाई पर जो डिजिट्स दिखेंगे उनका सम, यहां पर पेयर की बात नहीं हो रही, द सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स अपीयर्ड ऑन द टॉप फेस ऑफ बोथ द डाई. तो सम जब 1 1 होगा तो 2 आएगा, और लास्ट फिनिश होगा कहां पर, जब 6 6 होगा तो 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. These are the possibilities of sum of digits, and when sum will be 2, there is only one pair, that is 1 1. So the probability will be 1 by 36, and sum is 3, the probability will be 2 by 36, because 1 2 and 2 1, there are 2 pairs. Similarly it will be increasing, 3 by 36, 4 by 36, 5 by 36, 6 by 36. जैसे 7 के लिए 6 कौन से पेयर होंगे, कैसे पता करेंगे, तो आप इसको इस तरह से कर सकते हैं. पहला डिजिट 1 रखिए, 1 6, फिर इसको इंक्रीज करिए 2 5 3 4. लाइक वाइज यू कैन इंक्रीज दी नंबर. 3 4 4 3 5 2 6 1, तो 1 2 3 4 5 6, और इसके बाद ये डिजिट रिपीट होना शुरू कर डिक्रीज होना शुरू हो जाता है। तो 5/36, 4/36, 3/36, 2/36 और 1/36, इस तरह से ये वाला पार्ट भी हमारा यहाँ पर कवर होता है। तो ये 2 एक्सपेरिमेंट हमने अभी डिस्कस किए, और इसके बाद हम थर्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट डिस्कस करेंगे, जिसमें हम देखेंगे कि प्लेइंग कार्ड्स से जब हम कार्ड्स निकालते हैं तो उसमें किस तरह से फैक्ट्स बनते हैं। उसके लिए हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखेंगे। अभी तक के लिए इतना सफिशिएंट है, इसको अच्छे से रिवाइज कर लें, नोट कर लें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।